Welcome back to the Ghana Revenue Authority's ITAS Tutorials series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to view your tax ledger on the ITAS e-Services portal. Your tax ledger gives you a record of tax transactions on your account, including liabilities, payments, interest, penalties, debits, credits, and balances. Let's get started. Click the menu icon on the left side of the page. From the menu, select Tax Statement/Ledger. This is where you can access your tax ledger. On the tax ledger page, the system will display your taxpayer details. To generate your ledger, begin by selecting the tax type you want to view. Next, choose the period you want to review. Select the start date and the end date for the ledger period. Once the tax type and date range have been selected, click View. The system will display the tax ledger for the selected tax type and period. The table shows the transactions recorded on your account. You may see details such as the transaction number, transaction date, transaction type, narration, transaction reference, debit amount, and credit amount. A debit usually represents an amount charged to your account, such as a tax liability, penalty, or interest. A credit usually represents an amount applied to reduce what you owe, such as a payment or adjustment. Review the entries carefully to understand the movement on your tax account. If you want to check a different tax type or date range, update the search criteria and click View again. That is how to view your tax ledger on the ITAS e-Services portal. Thank you for watching.